You're not gonna like this, but the thing that helps with health anxiety the most is facing it on purpose. This is a well-known treatment tactic in therapy when it comes to things like OCD. I feel like health anxiety gets overlooked a lot. People with health anxiety are always wanting to reach out to their healthcare provider, whether it's their doctor or their therapist or even Dr. Google, to see what's going on in their body, what are their symptoms, so they feel like they can gain some sense of control. But there's no amount of reassurance that ever makes you feel better, right? There's no final Google or final call to your doctor where you feel, okay, I'm settled for good. If that was the case, then this really wouldn't be health anxiety. I used to have a lot of health anxiety. I was very hypervigilant of any sort of feeling in my body. I would be checking my pulse, making sure it felt okay. I'd go look at my pupils in the mirror to see if they looked funny. It sounds like crazy now to even think about it. I think this is really common where you just are overly sensitive to like the feelings in your body all the time and you're worried that it means something more. The way that I resolved my health anxiety, like gone, is kind of an interesting one. I had bought some CBD gummies and I liked how they made me feel. They made me feel like really relaxed and calm, but there was a time where the CBD or the active components would kind of peak and it would make me feel really anxious. I would do my checking. I'd be looking at my pupils in the mirror. I'd be feeling my pulse. I'd be Googling. And then that would kind of end and I would feel okay. And what I did is I repeated this. I sat with that uncomfortable feeling because I knew like nobody has ever died from CBD. I knew I was safe. I knew it was just a feeling. And by sitting with that feeling and just letting myself know that this too shall pass and I'm okay, eventually I got desensitized to it, where I could just sit with that, know it was gonna pass. And eventually that experience made it so I was a lot less hypersensitive to little changes or feeling in my body. And for me, I have zero health anxiety now. So I'm not necessarily saying you should go do that. I'm not your doctor. I'm not giving you medical advice, but it is something to consider if you've been on this endless hamster wheel of health anxiety checking, and just trying to sedate those feelings with whether it's medications, calling your doctor, or even herbs that help to decrease anxiety, because you're just palliating symptoms at that point. You're not really diving deep enough to resolve it for good.